Welcome to your anime Senpais. I'm John.
And I'm Richard.
And today we're going to be watching Tensura episode 15, and we're going to be reacting to it. We're going to change it up from doing reviews, and this whole season of all the new stuff, we're going to just be reacting to everything. So hopefully you like the new format. Hope you like our reactions. So with the Orc Lord defeated, Richard, what are your expectations going into this?
Well, I already know what's coming into this. Really the question is, what is your expectations going into this?
You know, I really, from my point of view, I think things are going to improve. I think they did a service by defeating the Orc Lord, stopping that army. I'm thinking, Rimeru and his crew are probably going to have a really good reputation, and things are going to improve. I mean, that's kind of my point of view. Is if you stop an army,
right?
Hopefully, things should get better.
Let me leave you a bit more specific then. What do you think is going to become of the orcs themselves? I mean, they did kill
the ones that are left over.
Yeah, they did kill the ogres, and they did kill most of the ogres, and they did kill some lizardmen too. So, do you think? What do you think the consequences of those actions will be?
Well, I just expect a lot of revenge on them.
Okay, all right. Well, I guess we'll have to wait and see, won't we? Right now,
let's get this started.
Yeah. Yeah, Demon Lord Guild. Everyone's here.
He looks so enthused about that.
Spoiler alert, he's really not. Oh, yes, the new intro.
Nice.
She goes.
I mean, I really like the original one, though.
Really?
The original opening? I really like that. Well, at least the song to it and stuff, yeah.
So, now we're seeing... This is the village, town, I guess, now.
That's the village there.
I mean...
that I don't know. To me, that just seems kind of crazy that it gets that advanced. Because they keep getting setback after setback, and, they're like, oh, let's build a couple houses, and enemy walks in and just flattens it, and like, oh, let's start over then. And they're going to have the circus join into the fight.
Oh, I know what that is.
Oh.
I know who she is, too.
She's someone that saves a lot of money on clothing.
Yeah, apparently.
Because she don't wear any. Actually, she was in the original opening, I believe. Yep. I was like, who is this? Why was she never anywhere?
Yeah, see?
Oh, more than one dryad?
Best seat in the house.
So everything worked out in the end.
Yeah.
I'm just saying that this is going to be a great show. Everyone's going to get along.
Yeah.
Be happy all the time.
All the time.
Yes. The great Rimeru is always there to take care of everyone.
Chancellor. He's now a chancellor, by the way.
Oh, okay.
He was voluntold, essentially. Well, not really, but I mean, they're just kind of like, you're a chancellor now.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not getting out of this.
I like how he stays in his slime form for all this and not really changing
to
his human form at all. I don't know really what's up with that, though. You would think to be more proper he would do that, maybe.
Even though everything was already resolved.
Well, I mean, if he has that much guilt left over from it.
It's true.
Bodyguard.
And secretary. It is interesting though how everyone just kind of accepts everything. It's like, yeah, okay, if Rimeru says it's okay, then whatever.
I kind of feel that's just the mindset of monsters.
Yeah.
Is they're like, well, they just bow to the greatest power, and then if the greatest power says do this, they're like, well,
Yeah.
that's just the way it is then.
Yeah.
I should learn from him.
Remember, there's 150,000 orcs now.
I mean, would he actually name all of them though?
Oh, he went Super Saiyan.
I am honored by my Saiyan powers. Oh, what?
Yeah.
Come on.
I mean, if he gives them all names, though, they're that much more powerful. So, yeah, it's a smart idea. Abiru, yeah, that's right. Oh, I forgot about this.
Forgot about it. Man, I hope that guy gets what's coming to him.
That's Kazuma, though. Or at least his voice actor. What do you think is going to happen to him?
Oh, come on. It's his dad. He's going to be lenient. I mean, he could have killed him. I mean, that's not really that bad.
Yeah, you got to keep the spear. Or trident, rather.
Huh. The leader, is that the leadership one, or?
Yeah. But, I mean, he's not leader or
Yeah.
anything. He's just...
Huh.
I don't know if the last episode... Oh, no, I'll wait till after this.
Time is money. His entourage.
At least they stuck with him, you know? Even though realistically it was kind of their fault because they kind of inflated his ego.
I like how the one has a Naruto kind of,
Oh, yeah.
headband on.
Yeah. I think it's kind of a...
Oh, he even did the Naruto run.
I think it's kind of a ninja thing anyways. Oh, that's the one that got away. I recognize that voice actor. Oh, Clayman, yeah.
High orcs.
They didn't really change much, though. At least not physically.
Yeah.
See, everybody's happy. Village being built. Or town, I guess.
Guys, I totally called it. I mean,
Yeah,
I don't...
laid an aqueduct.
Wow.
Gotta have a bath.
Well, yeah, I mean, gotta have clean monsters.
Mm-hmm. They're civilized monsters.
That's right.
So yeah, everything's happy, peaceful, no problems.
I just expect something later and just come through and just like destroy half the village.
You might get your wish right now.
Oh. Well, why not? I mean, I've seen flying horses before, but those just look really just not good. I don't know. I guess just because their legs are so still, it's like they don't know what they're doing.
I'm assuming you recognize this guy. No, not that guy. That guy.
I mean, I remember from the thumbnail, but has he actually been shown before?
Yes.
Hmm.
That is the Dwarven Kingdom's.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
And he even had the little elf ninja right there.
Oh, okay.
He's the one that sensed a comparison between Rimeru and
So, I mean...
Veldora. Now he's paying them a visit.
So they've already met before, though, correct? I thought.
Kind of.
No, I guess
in
not.
in the courtroom.
Yeah.
So yeah, they met.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Ayo.
Dwargo. Yes. Just attack them already.
She kind of has a one-track mind sometimes.
Oh. Well, why not? Yeah.
Why do they both have katanas?
Because?
I'm just saying. You should have like a broadsword or something. Or, I don't know.
If you can defend, you win. I mean, even if he like hits him, it's not really gonna do anything.
Mm-hmm. Everybody else seems kind of close, though. It's like, give them some room.
It's gonna break the sword, isn't it? No?
Well, the sword was probably made by... the condition that he had to defend.
Oh.
Yeah. Not actually beat the king, just defend from his attacks, which he did.
Okay. That was a pretty easy test.
Well, I'm sure if it was somebody else.
Now they're best friends.
Yeah.
He has his hand on his shoulder. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
So once again, all the bad things just turned good.
Yeah, it wasn't really a bad thing anyways.
Well, yeah. Threatening thing. Just looked very foreboding, I guess.
Jura Alliance, right?
Did they actually come up with a name.
Federation. Capital City. Capital City.
All right.
Yeah. There's no going back now. Yay. So yeah, absolutely nothing's going to happen. No bad things at all. You know.
I mean, that was a pretty
with an outro like this, surely nothing bad could happen.
pretty positive episode. I kind of liked the the upbeat vibe to all this. Everyone's kind of shaking hands, making treaties.
Yeah.
I mean, both the opening and closing are pretty upbeat.
Yeah.
I mean, even the villains look like clowns. So,
right.
I mean, how bad could they be?
Yeah. That chipmunk, on the other hand, that
it's got a little horn, so it's evil.
Yeah, it has to be evil. Those little kids, I mean...
Yeah, I mean, what do you think about the episode, though, for real?
I thought it was pretty good. I mean...
Yeah?
Everything went pretty much the way that I remember. Oh, well, yeah, you got to cut up the fish first, and then,
cook it in midair.
In midair, exactly. So that's...
And serve it before it lands.
Yeah.
That's why he has a city named after him.
Yeah, exactly. I don't know. I can't remember that being in the manga, but I mean, maybe it's been so long since I've read that part. See, everybody's happy.
I mean, honestly, besides all the treaties being made and, the orcs being kind of forgiven.
Oh.
For this, particular episode, though, just overall, it just kind of, I guess, tucked in the corners of what happened before. Is what it kind of felt like to me. It just kind of was the resolutions, everything.
Yeah. Orcs are okay. We're not going to get revenge on them.
Yeah.
Rimeru's taken all their sins or whatnot and consumed them, essentially. And now he's got a really large labor force at this point.
Yeah.
And those guys are pretty hefty, so that's probably why the town's growing
so fast.
The way that it is. I mean, now they're getting roads and stuff, so yeah. You got dwarves for engineers, you've got orcs for laborers, you got was it Kijin as your like top officials, and then goblins as goblins, I guess.
They just do whatever.
Yeah, just kind of do whatever. So yeah, he's got a pretty large gathering of
nice variety.
Yeah. So what would you give this episode?
I'll give it a thumbs up. I really actually enjoyed it.
Yeah,
I enjoyed the resolution to it all. Just kind of the, just how, like I said, it tucked things in. It kind of showed you where everything went. It didn't leave you hanging. It didn't say, well, the orcs left and did whatever. It kind of showed what happened with the orcs.
Yeah, it wrapped up everything that it needed to wrap up, but while at the same time leaving enough to,
Yeah, it hinted at things to come, definitely. But it was such a small thing that it didn't take away from the positive tone of the overall episode.
Yeah. So. Yeah, I would also agree. Thumbs up. So, what did you guys think? Did you enjoy this episode? Did you not enjoy this episode? Let us know in the comments below.
Love to hear it. So, that's it for this episode, and we'll see you next week.